Hi guys, in this video we are going to see about a deep diving into AI. So I have some points to make which you can do in ChatGPT. I hope you all know ChatGPT, which is a AI where you can get many information of contents related to your query. Now let's see some of the use cases where you can learn more about and make something which you can get money or a knowledge by it. Okay, first, to make content. Yeah, it's good to make content by ChatGPT. If you ask something which is related to you or channel, for example, if you have a tech channel, you can ask to ChatGPT that what is the new technology which is trending or on time. So it provides various topics to make a new video for your channel. So now you have a better idea, right? So not only this, you can make a book for by the content it provides. If you ask, I need to know about nuclear, so it automatically make a short notes on nuclear where you can produce a book which titled as nuclear. A book named nuclear, the content in it you need to copy and paste, and you can easily publish in Amazon, Flipkart. Like they will print and publish the book, but the publisher name will be you, so you can gain money as a passive from it. Okay, next, translation. Many of them need translation of the content because even many don't know about other languages or not having any knowledge of other language, how to read and how to pronounce it. So it provides a easy way to translate words. For example, if you know Tamil and don't know English, then you can copy the English words and ask it to translate. For example, a Google Translator, which provides a more efficient way. But even ChatGPT can. Not only ChatGPT, many AIs are available to translate. Okay, then next, by this, how can you get monetization? So if you translate some books which others don't know what the content will be in it, so you can able to gain by changing that content. For example, you can take a Wings of Fire. If you I hope you all know Wings of Fire, biography of APJ Abdul Kalam sir. So now if you translate in the language which it is not translated, so you can make money by publishing it. Next, writing codes. Many of them don't know simple code knowledges, so they can use ChatGPT as a main platform to make codes. For example, if you need to get a sum of two numbers, so you can ask to it, give me a sample program to add two numbers using a C program or C++, Python. So it automatically provides you what you need. Next, debugging. A main concept of debugging is to remove the bugs in it. Many of them makes error in code. Not only beginners, even a pro can made some errors in their codes. So this debugging process will make it reduce. So if we copy the code or a particular stanza which shows an error and paste in ChatGPT, it automatically defines where's the bug is placed. So you can easily rectify and get it resolved. Okay, next, course content creation. Many of them will be a teacher while seeing it. If you are a teacher, you need to teach something as new, right? So you can create a topic which is provided by ChatGPT. If you are taking something lesson like reproduction in plants, so if you type in ChatGPT reproduction of plants, give me some topics where I can teach them newly. So it automatically provides the topics which you can take for a nice manner. So after getting the topics, you can replace the query with the topic. So it provides the content related to the topic it provides. So easily you can make a book or teach your students, or you can be a mentor for your friends, right? Okay, then third, help with homeworks. Yeah, many of them gets homework, right? Not only school students or college students, even those who works gets homework. Yeah, right. Now if the boy is in a class of 5th, let's keep like 5th, they gave a big stanza, so you can easily take a photo and apply into the Google image, so you will get the content brief, right? You should copy the text and put in GPT, tell it to in brief, so it automatically reduces the content and gives you the nice content which you can easily understand. So you can teach your young child to get it more clear. So in homework, if colleges, they will tell to do assignments, so the assignment should be a creative one and not copied, right? So ChatGPT provides you a new content each and every time you refresh. So if you need to ask that query which topic the assignment is given. So after getting that a line of paras, so you should paste it again and get in it brief, so you can write it and get a good marks on your assignments. Okay, research assistance. Mainly in research, there are many difficulties to find something is new or a old technology has made through it. So ChatGPT, not only ChatGPT, many AIs provides you a content which is already feeded and in current feeded. So the feeds makes you your research paper a good one. Like 80% of the content should be your own, and 20 should be like can be get from another paper which has been published. So the 20% should be it can be the old one, and 80 should be the new one to get your paper published without any plagiarism tool. So ChatGPT makes some errors, it happens. The error can be rectified with different AI. I will be posting another video, so it will say how can we reduce plagiarism from finding out our paras from plagiarism. So like if we get something from ChatGPT, you need to refine it more and more, and you need to put your contents on it to get that 80% new. Okay, for example, I just published a paper on internet IoT, so Internet of Things. So in that I just used a ChatGPT to prepare my 20% of my papers, so that I easily did and published it, and I got the first overall presentation prize in a college. Yes, I hope this is useful. Thank you for watching. See you on the next video. Tata, bye.